Hi, my name's Tom. I'm starting to set up my house for Christmas with all the decorations, and I was just sent my favorite Christmas decoration of all time, bubble lights. This set of 3 bubble lights comes packaged nice and tightly. Everything is securely in foam, and you can see you get 3 different bubble lights in this set. You get the red bubble light, you get the yellow bubble light, and you get the blue bubble light, and they have different bases. Now the cool things about these are they actually the self-contained unit. You have the bulb here, you have the bubble light here, but you also have the little unit for plugging into the wall. So you can plug these in wherever you have an outlet. I'm gonna go ahead and plug these into outlets all around my house, but for a moment, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna plug it in just like this. Once it's plugged in, there's a little switch in the front, so you don't have to unplug it and unplug it each time. You just turn the switch on or off, and there you go. The switch is on, and the light is now warming up. Now, the way these works is there's a little light bulb in here that will warm up the liquid in here, and soon you will go ahead and you will get bubbles. They warm up in about a minute and a half or less, so 90 seconds or less, and you will start to have bubbles. There we go. That took about 55 seconds, and now I have bubbles, and I want you to just kind of see it. It is a beautiful bubble light. There is no glitter. It is just bubbles, and these things will just sit and go for hours. It's just so cool. Just kind of sit and watch them. You can kind of just watch them kind of go like that. They're just fun to look at. My kids love them. I've always loved them. My dad liked them when he was a kid. These things have been around since the 1940s, and they are just as fascinating and just as magical as they were then. And again, this unit is kind of nice because you have a switch on and off. I can turn it off, and eventually it'll stop bubbling. I turn it back on, the heat keeps going, it will start bubbling again. I really like that a lot. If you live in the Midwest, your plugs probably don't look like this. Your plugs might look like this. How does this work? Because if you've got to put it in sideways, is it going to still bubble? Don't worry, they got you covered. Here's the cool thing about these. They actually twist. So I can twist the outlet. So now it will fit into a sideways outlet. So here's a sideways outlet, and now it will fit right into it just like normal, and it still sticks up, and it will still bubble once it's turned on and heated up. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these around the house. And here is the yellow bubble light, and that is in my dining room. And here is the blue bubble light. It is in my bathroom, which I thought was just fitting, blue like water. And here is the third and final bubble light, my red one, and that is in my living room. So there we go. You do get a pack of 3, and they have the outlet included. The outlet does switch to back and forth, and they do have switches, so you can turn them off without unplugging them. I might get another pack, just kind of scatter them throughout the house. I just love the magic of bubble lights, and just being able to see them anywhere and everywhere will just really make the holidays special. So my kids like these. They're actually asking for more. Again, it's a 3-pack set. You get 3 different colors, and you just plug them in, turn them on, and you're good to go. These are highly recommended.